today we're going to make together Israeli pita bread. For that we're going to need 1 kilogram of just normal wheat flour, normal flour, not self-raising, not anything. We're using 1 kilogram, and it's going to yield about 8 like normal size pita breads. We're going to add here about 10 grams of dry yeast, which is 1.5 bags, these bags. Now for our American friends, we're using on this channel metric system, but for our American friends, I promise I will write on the screen and in the description box everything in ounces and pounds and George Washington and the Declaration of Independence and everything. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon, actually 2 teaspoons of salt. We're adding 3 or 4 teaspoons of sugar because the yeast needs it to work. And now in goes, for 1 kilo of flour, in goes 600 grams of water, my friends. And now we go ahead and knead the dough. I'm not using any mixers, blenders, heavy machinery, just my hands, and because I enjoy it. That's it, my friends. It took me about like 3 or 4 minutes. That's it. There's no need to knead the dough for longer than that. 3-4 minutes is enough once you see that all the ingredients are mixed, blended, all good. So I put it back in this mixing bowl. What I'm gonna do now is I put a little bit of oil at the bottom of the bowl and on top of my dough. Why it raises, it helps the dough to raise better, that's why. And I cover it with a plate, a towel, and I leave the dough to rise for 2 hours. So about 2 hours, friends. Let's check our dough. It's risen very well. And let's form the pita breads now. I'm taking it out, put it on, placing it on the table. A little bit flour. And now you can make your pitas random size. I prefer making them about 200 gram. I think it's the ideal size for me. You can do them 150 gram, 300 gram, whatever works for you. I recommend doing them roughly 200 gram. And first of all, what I do, I make balls like that, and I just leave them to rest. The important rule, my friends, when working with dough is with pastry, every stage and stage giving it nice rest. Like, you know, pastry is like humans. If you let them rest, leave them alone, they start behaving nice. Now I cover it, I let it rest for a couple of minutes, enough. In the meantime, I'm switching on the oven on the maximum temperature that you've got. If you've got 240 degrees Celsius, good. You've got 250, better. You've got 270, perfect. If you've got 300, even better. But usually, kind of domestic, normal home ovens, they have about 240, 250, which is good. And important thing, I'm leaving the tray, the baking tray, I'm leaving inside the oven because I want it also very, very hot indeed. Well, now we're forming the pitas. You can use your hands just like the pizza makers do. To open the pita, you can use the rolling pin. It doesn't matter, completely up to you. It doesn't also have to be completely perfectly round, because who said pita should be round? It could be any shape or form. What it has to be tasty and nice and fluffy and soft. That's what this has to be. But form, up to you. If you're a perfectionist, you like it really round, make it round. If you're not succeeding in getting really round, never mind, nothing wrong happened. So something like that, and into the oven it goes. Very hot temperature, friends. A very hot tray. And maximum temperature. No oil, no baking paper, nothing. Just like that. Don't be afraid. It's not gonna stick. All good. Into the oven and just watch it. It should take about maximum 5 minutes. They should be ready. But just watch it. Don't leave it alone. There you go. In about 5 minutes. That's what we've got. Nice pita breads. Now, just we have to leave them and let them calm down a little bit. Just calm down, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then we can taste them. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Yalla, bye.